Here's today's motivation. It's about life. It's about just being on this journey, right? Nipsey Hussle was saying it's a marathon. You know, it's nothing quick. It's a continuous effort, day by day, step by step, breath after breath. You have to continuously. When I say continuously, I mean continuously, all the time, no matter what. Put your best foot forward. All right. Now, don't be naive. You're going to be disappointed. You're going to be let down. You're going to be frustrated. But no matter what comes your way, continuously put your best foot forward. In the cycle of life, how it works is you're going to have to win. As long as you show up. As long as you show up every day. All right, ready and prepared, you will win. It's just the way it works. That's the way this thing called life works. Show up, be ready, be dressed for success, have your vocabulary up to par, know what you're going to do, know your purpose, and you will win every day, breath by breath, step by step, punch by punch. No matter what it is, however you measure it, just keep going, keep giving it your best, and never quit, never falter, never waver. And though many may doubt you, never doubt yourself. If you doubt yourself, that's the biggest poison that you could ever take. Keep showing up. Stay heavily motivated, stay humble, and sit down.